Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are checking out the JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1. User manual, a nice and soft carrying pouch, our lanyard with the JISULIFE brand, a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, and this one is our main unit, the JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1. There's branding on the sides here. It says Portable Fan Specialist. Back here it looks like a plain propeller. I don't know what's it called, but the fan is clearly in there. On the front, where our air would be passing through, the center area is like a screen. It tells you some information about your JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1. So down here, does that say don't put your fingers or foreign matters into the fan net cover. Children under 14 should use the product with the guidance of an adult. Okay, so it's just a sticker. I think you can probably remove that one. It's just a warning about using the fan. So down here, just below the face of our JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1, they call this the non-polar toggle switch. This apparently goes from 1 to 100 by scrolling up and down on this switch here. This is somewhat like the middle of the mouse of a computer, like this one. So that's what you have here as the non-polar toggle switch. So this controls the speed of the fan or the intensity of the wind passing through our JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1. On the back, so we have a toggle switch in here. Right now this is on the off state, so if you push it up, that should be your on state for the fan. So let's put that back to off, and on top of that is our USB Type C port. That's where we connect the charging cord to charge our handheld fan. So here's our charging cord. So again, it's USB Type A to USB Type C. So it's about 1 meter in length, and all you need to do to use this is plug this in to a free port on your computer, or if you use something like this, an adapter for your wall socket. The back of our JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1, we insert the Type-C end of our cord, like so, and we plug this into our wall socket. I just plugged the unit on our wall socket, and it's showing the percentage of the battery left, or the juice left on the 3600 milliamp per hour battery on our JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1. So currently it has 40% left. So out of the box, it does have a charge. So again, this comes with the 3600 milliamp per hour battery. In the center is the percentage of the charge, and below that is a battery icon. So to turn on our handheld fan here, we need to toggle the switch on the back, push it up like so, and then on the non-polar switch on the front. And if you can hear that, it's on the number 1 speed at the moment, and we got another icon there, like a wind icon, and the JISULIFE icon is now down here. So from here, you just use the non-polar toggle switch. So if you scroll it up, of course the speed will go up. And if you scroll down, the intensity of the wind, of course, will go down like that. The lowest setting would be 1. There's no 0 state. So to turn this off, just push on the toggle switch the same way. There you go. So if you're not going to be using the fan for a long time, so it's easier to turn it off all the way here. So we toggle this down if you're not going to be using it anytime soon. But if you are using it, you don't have to do that. All you need to do is do the turn off on the front, so that anytime you need to turn it on, just do so. But if you're not going to be using it, like I said, you can turn it off as well permanently on the toggle switch at the back. Toggle this down like so, and that is turned off. And that is the basic operation of our JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1. With regards to the lanyard, this is where you can attach it. So you attach it to the bottom. So you attach the lanyard through there. For our carrying pouch, this is a nice material here. Really soft to the touch. It has a texture. Inside, it is somewhat like a soft raincoat in order to protect our JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1 as well. It is really of high quality. That is a nice touch of having a pouch like that. So as a plus, you can use the JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1. It can stand on flat surfaces like this and serve as your mini desk fan as well, without any tools or any added accessories necessary. And to demonstrate the power of the wind surge from our Handheld Fan Pro 1, I'll put the mic closer to the unit. So that is speed number 1. So I'm going to toggle the intensity up. You can see from here. So that's 10%. %25%. 50%. I hope you can still hear me. $75%. $90%. $95%. And that is 100. So we have a small toy here, and it weighs 8.9 grams. So let's see if we can get it using JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro1. So the answer is yes, we can. Okay, so I hope I have demonstrated enough the power of the JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro1 to you guys. Really does sound like an airplane taking off if you put it to 100% in terms of the wind power or wind surge. It's an amazing portable fan, handheld fan, and I think this is bang for your buck. If you really travel a lot, it will serve its purpose, especially if you have a baby or something like that. It will cool you down on a hot summer day. So if you have those type of needs, this is the one for you. And this is also a great gift this holiday season. If your loved ones receive this from you, I'm sure they will be thrilled. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked our quick unboxing and review of the JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro1. If you have questions or inquiries about this product, please leave a comment down below. Also, we will leave a purchase link down there on our video description if ever you wanted to check this one out. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, to get notified once we upload another one of our tech reviews here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.